Assetec Realty Private Limited has been building prestigious and acclaimed real estate projects since 2002. These include apartment complexes, Grade A commercial spaces and luxury serviced apartments. And now we present to you our latest offering, Assetec Business Cristera, its journey from the beginning and the partners associated with this project. This project has been conceptualized as an integrated IT-based business park located in the IT hub of Northern India, Noida Expressway.
Assetec, we have thought of doing the best of the IT park in Noida. We have a zero discharge STP based on MEBR platform. We have used one of the best chillers from Japan, which is Daikin. Enables you to save running cost, huge saving on the power consumption. I can proudly say we are almost achieved what we have aimed for.
At Assetec Business Cristera, we have created an experience center which demonstrates efficient utilization of space, thus creating value for your business. An international business center by Regus and serviced apartments operated by Lemon Tree Hotels enhances value for our customers.
Lemon Tree and Carnation Hotels are extremely delighted to partner with Assetec Realty for the Cristera complex. This new endeavor of Assetec brings together conglomerate of commercial institutions, retail dining, and a wonderful suites complex, which in its aggregation is a first of its kind creation to the best of my knowledge in India.
The facility management at Assetec Business Cristera is being carried out by CBRE.
We operate behind the scenes, yet our work is crucial to keep the organizations running efficiently. CBRE provides property management services covering engineering, security, and general upkeep of buildings. Our mission is to create a secure environment that brings out the best in everyone working at the Assetec Business Cristera.
An integrated, intelligent green office complex with LEED Gold certification. Assetec Business Cristera has green areas, large lobbies and corridors, ample car parks, high-speed Hitachi lifts, double glazed glass, Daikin air conditioning, and Perkins power generators for uninterrupted power supply.
In Assetec Business Cristera, we adopted an integrated, intelligent and green design approach. We adopted high efficiency and low environmental impact cooling systems. In addition, we adopted a balanced design approach during lighting design finalization. The idea was to create a balance between the daylighting, which is getting inside the building, and the artificial lighting, which is being consumed by the occupants.
We are proud to announce that we have already delivered phase 1 of this prestigious project, with occupants setting up and starting their offices.
The pristine quality of Assetec prompted me to invest again with Assetec. The advantage with Assetec Business Cristera is that location and its hassle-free commuting from Delhi NCR with a complete range of stores to meet all my needs from fashion to food. This is the best thing that could have happened to my employees and the people who work here. What more could one ask for?
Assetec Realty Private Limited, building the future, creating meaningful developments. Standing tall, merging form with function. So come and be a part of a glorious future by making the right move for your business.